Welcome to Little Poppins Art Attack. Little Poppins Art Attack.
Hey kids, let's do Easter egg coloring and crafts.
Idea number 1, paper Easter eggs. Today we're doing some Easter crafts and the stickers.
Just like these?
Yeah. These are
What did you make these of?
made these cupcakes. If you don't have it at the shop or buy it, you can use your own paper to use.
Construction paper, that's a good idea. And I really like this. Which is your favorite?
I like this one.
Nice. So what are you gonna do now? Are you showing us how to do other ideas?
Yeah.
So what is your new idea?
My new idea is I would do stickers
Nice.
and
So you're making Elsa on an egg and alphabet egg, right?
yeah, just like these kind of things. Love it. Here's my stickers and total.
Can you count how many eggs you've made in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. And watching bye. Easter's coming. Happy Easter. Bye. Idea 2, coloring real eggs.
The Little Poppins Art Attack. Today we're doing the dunk and egg coloring kit.
With 5 coloring tablets, 24 stickers, 12 egg stands, 1 egg dipper. What are you gonna color though? Real eggs?
Yeah. We're gonna
So
color.
these are the things that come with it, right? These are the bands to keep the eggs supported
And
on.
these are just stickers.
These are stickers.
To
And
give
this
the
is to
Eggspressions.
take out the egg from the die.
And everyone gets a turn because this is one of them. Step 1. You have to empty the egg yolk. You don't want egg yolk in this. In step 1, when we empty it, we have to empty it in such a way it doesn't break. So, what we're gonna do is first we have to prick the egg to blow out the yolk. For this, you will need a pin, an empty straw, and an egg. The container to empty it in.
And we also need some toothpicks to
Prick.
the egg yolk and make sure the egg is liquidy. Only then it will come out, otherwise it won't come. Right? So are you ready to empty the egg?
Yes.
Okay.
My mom's gonna help me do it.
Yeah. And that's the facing egg.
Find the pointy side of the egg. That's where it will be thin. Okay. And just wiggle it so it goes in easily. Now there's a small little prick here. So next step is take a toothpick. Using the same prick, push the toothpick and go up and down like this. Now you are breaking the egg yolk. Only if you break, you'll be able to take it out. Okay, now keep this aside. And now I'm going to turn this around.
No.
Make another egg. Now, right now the egg won't fall still. If you observe, the yolk is not falling though there's a hole here. The reason is you need to make one more prick.
Oh, because we need air to get the egg.
Yeah. And now do the same thing. Put the toothpick in to break the egg yolk and move it up and down one more time. So I'm just blowing into it. Observe.
It's coming! Oh gosh! Yeah.
Ooh, what was that? That's a lot of egg yolk. I can hear the noise.
Shake it up a little bit to make it liquidy.
And we're done.
Finally came. And now the egg feels light. So now it's an empty egg. If you see, there is no cracks at all except for 2 holes. Don't use it yet. Make sure you put it in some clean soapy water and leave it for like a minute, and then you dry it, and then it's ready to paint. So we're gonna prepare how many eggs? This.
Eggs.
Okay.
Meet you in the next step. Hi guys, we're back.
And we've got the eggs emptied. Make sure you wash these for like 2 or 3 minutes or so in soapy water. Then you get these little boiling or warm water cups, 5 or whatever eggs you have, and then you put in these little tablets. The color tablets will give away their color and float away just like a bath bomb.
Yeah, so these are dye color tablets which will dissolve well in warm water, it says. So we have taken 5, 1 for each 5 cups of warm water, and the instruction also has given some bands which is expected to fold like that. So we've just gone ahead and made that ready. And this is expressions for your eggs. So we are doing Eggspressions.
Eggspressions.
Yeah.
Get it, guys.
And then there is a handle to lift the egg, and we'll let that colored egg soak for probably like 10 minutes, and then we will turn by turn lift and keep it back in this egg tray so it can dry up. Okay,
So who's going first?
so let's open this, and you share the tablets with each other.
First, I think my sister. Guys, be sweet. If you're in a group of 2, that is.
I can open it.
Your younger sister goes first because she will make a fuss. So.
And the basket of Easter bunny
Should I
here
open it?
is actually the paper Easter eggs that Simran did in her school.
Okay, that one. Just pump it in. Quick, pump it in.
Okay, that's purple.
Woo! Oh, looking cool. Now let's do the orange.
Whoa.
Ooh, that looks so cool. Woo! Yeah, that's an oil color. It's giving away its
It's
color.
bubbling up. Can you see tiny bubbles coming up?
Whoa!
That's what color is that, Kuriya?
Green.
My favorite color. Oh, it's breaking down into pieces already. Oh, that looks cool. Whoa! Wait, that's red. That's red.
Let me try the second one.
Look at the way this yellow thing is bubbling up. It looks nice. It's like little volcano
Ooh!
in the water.
Did you like it?
Look at this one. It's already gone. This one's not going that much.
This is like a little volcano in the water.
Yeah, this one is. Oh, look at that.
So what are the primary colors here?
Yellow, blue.
So these 3 are primary colors, right? Red, yellow and blue.
Just like
And
my
green and I don't know what color this is. I think purple. That's
What?
like a secondary color.
There's a powder on the top for everyone.
These are for
Have a straw. Now Let's
Okay.
start. Make sure you dissolve it. Just like you do this for nectar.
Whoa, that looks dark.
You do this one also. It's not dissolving.
So how are the colors coming along? What color is this, Guria?
Indigo.
This is
Green.
green. What color is this?
Red.
And this is?
Blue.
Is it all mixed up well?
Yeah, mine not.
Would you like to mix this too?
The red still has a
Let's wipe your straw. Make sure the dye doesn't get mixed up. Otherwise you'll get a third color. This is the yellow.
Now can I mix them?
Okay, guys.
Okay, now it's ready. Dunk the egg in all.
Inside. Down we go.
This one looks like blood or a volcano.
So that the colors don't mix up. I can see just one white dot. It's like a torchlight. Oh, look at that. It's like a little torchlight.
Take your thing out and then up for another 2 minutes. Keep doing this. You can do any minute. Whoa, look at there's the bubbles. That's bubbles.
That's because the egg is drinking up the water. It has holes in it, right?
2 minutes over. Another. It's drinking up.
Maybe if you put little vinegar, it'll get more darker. Shall I add?
Yeah.
Yes. Add.
Some vinegar to get dark colors.
This looks like Hatchimal eggs. Is this experiment fun?
Yes, kind of.
Look guys, the bubbles coming out to make me hatch them.
That's because the egg is drinking up the water.
Okay, can I try it now? Can I have it? I need to take out all the water.
By doing this, I think it will stand straight like this.
Yeah, it is.
When you do this, it will get some water inside the egg. It will get heavy. So it will stay inside the dye for longer time.
Now that we put our eggs in the dye-colored water, we let it soak in vinegar for 30 minutes or so.
And we'll come back.
Come back. Guys, it's been 30 minutes and we need to take it out for it to dry. So, let's take it. Make sure to be very careful with this.
There it goes.
Hold it until the water is come out fully. Yeah, just lift it. Wait. Let all the water drip. Do this. See, you can see some water coming out. All that is the dye water which has gone inside. Now you keep. What color? We did pink and blue. Yeah, let all the water that is gone and come out. This. Shake it a little bit.
Do tumbles up if you like it.
Good, yeah. Keep in this tray.
No fingerprints.
Let's keep it here. This blue.
It's still dripping out.
Yeah, it should. So that's why I've chosen this tray so the table doesn't get messy. The last one is in this one.
Now can I do that one?
Yeah. Lift and hold.
I need a new one. Four drips. That's a lot of water, guys.
Could you keep it in this? Okay.
Let's give it another 20 minutes for it to dry fully.
Okay.
Half an hour.
Guys, it's been half an hour and these eggs have dried. Ooh, look at that. And now we're gonna give them expressions. Get it? Expressions. So first we start with
Show me what are the expressions you have. You have all the emoji expressions, right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, you take one and pass on to her. Gudiya, meanwhile, can you tell what are the colors you have made?
Yeah. This is orange. This is blue. And this is green. This is purple and this is yellow.
Nice, huh? Make sure that the pointy part of the egg is upwards when you're sticking the ice.
This way.
Wait. Yeah, now stick. Stick here. Ooh, look
First
at those
it's
eyes.
done. Look at that.
Ooh, cute. How are they laughing, Gudiya? Did you like doing this activity?
Yeah. We love it.
Come on.
Show me. Cute.
The expressions are ready.
What are the expressions you see?
A happy face.
You have to do the
happy
same.
face.
Like that. They are all happy and excited. Okay, let's count the eggs. Good.
3, 4, 5.
5 eggs.
Happy Easter, everybody. Bye. Please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you liked our video. Bye.
Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.